Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is about science class 2 unit number 2. Unit number 2, kinds of animals. We know that there are different kinds of animals depend upon their colors, their outer covering. Some animals are different according to their size. Some animals are very small, some animals are very big. Some animals live in cold places like seal, polar bear. Some animals live in very hot places like camel, ostrich. Some animals live in water. We know that fishes, frog and dolphin. These all animals lived in water. So some animals live both in water and on land like crocodile, turtle. Some animals are unusual, so their descriptions are given there. So next move towards its exercise, page number 16. Question number 1, match the animals to their coats. Coats mean its outer covering. Animal, a fish, a rabbit, a carrot, and their coats are given. So according to suitable coats, we should have to match these animals to their outer covering. So a fish, scales, a rabbit, fur, a parrot, feathers. Next question number 2, write the names of animals that are very big, very small. We know that very big animals like elephant, giraffe. There are missing letters in these words. So E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T, G, I, R, A, F, F, E. Very small, spider, fly. D, E, Y. Next, fill in the table saying where these animals live. In previous we discussed that the animals lived in different places. Some lived in cold places, some in hot, some water, some on land. So according to their living places, we should have to write the names on the proper column. Polar bear, we know that in very cold places. Camel, very hot places. Dolphin, water places. Frog, land and water places. We know that frog can live on both land and water. So next question number 4, can you name the animals? A fish that looks like a star, starfish. A fish that looks like jelly, jellyfish. A fish that looks like a horse, seahorse. An animal that looks like a flower, sea anemone. An animal that has 8 arms, octopus. Next question number 5. The questions are given below. Their answers are given on your notes. So you should have to learn these questions from your notes. So our lecture is completed. Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is about science class 2 unit number 3, kinds of plants. Plants, most plants are green. We know that plants are living things. There are different parts of a plant like root, stem, flower, leaf. Kinds of plants, there are different kinds of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs. Some plants are big in size, some plants are very small in size. So there are different kinds of plants given here. So move towards its exercise. Question number 1. First one, label the following diagram. So the picture of a plant is given here. You should have to label its parts. So first one, we know that flower. Second one, leaf, stem, root. Next, answer the following questions. What is the color of most plants? Most plants are green. These questions are also given on your notes. You should have to learn the questions from your notes. but you can fill your exercise here. Next, what do roots do? Roots suck water and minerals from the soil. What does the stem do? The stem takes water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. What do flowers do? Flowers make fruit. We know that flowers make fruit. What do leaves do? Leaves make food. Next, question number 3. Write yes or no. Plants that grow very tall are called herbs. No. Trees have hard woody stems. Yes, we know that trees are very big in size and they are hard and their woody stems are very big in size. Mosses grow very tall. No. Mosses are very small that grows on the stem of big trees. Herbs have soft green stems. Yes. Mushrooms get their food from dead plants. Yes. So next, in question number 4, different diagrams of plants are given. You should have to write the suitable name of these plants. First one, this is pitcher plant. Second one, Venus flytrap. Third, touch me not. And fourth one, you all know that this is rose plants. So our today lecture is completed. Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is about science, class 2, unit number 8. Unit number 8, light. We know that without light there is darkness. There are different natural things that give us light, like sun, moon, and other artificial like bulb, torch, candle, fire, that give us heat and light. There are different sources of light. Next, luminous and non-luminous objects. Something that gives out light by itself is called luminous. I already told you that natural things like sun that give its own light, so it is called luminous object, and the things that does not give their own light are called non-luminous objects. Like moon, it is a non-luminous object because it gives light, or it can shine due to the light of sun. Next, transparent, translucent and opaque object. So next, question number 1, it's exercise on page number 50. Here the questions are given. These questions and their answer are given on your notes. You should have to learn the questions from your notes. Next, question number 2, fill in the table to show if light can or cannot pass through these materials and objects. Air. We know that air is transparent. It is not translucent and opaque, so cross. Tracing paper. It is not transparent, it is not opaque, it is translucent. Water. Transparent, not translucent and opaque. Book. Opaque, cross, cross. Frosted glass. Translucent, cross, cross. Ball. It is not transparent, not translucent, it is opaque object. Next one, page number 51, fill in the blanks to complete the statement. All light on the earth comes from the dash, sun. All light on the earth comes from the sun. A dash object gives out its own light. luminous. Third one, the moon is a dash object, non-luminous. Something which lets light pass through it is dash, transparent. The dash of an object is the same shape as the object, shadow. So our today lecture is completed.